Hello, and welcome to episode 7 to Walk With Me, where I get the pleasure to walk with you. Today, we're doing something way different. So let's, yeah! So today we're taking a walk up to a lookout point. I've never been here before. It's sweltering hot. I've got sunscreen on today, so that's cool. And we're going to hopefully see a huge vantage point of the entirety of Melbourne. So the music that you're hearing today is by the amazing Rise of Dark Leela, aka Lureeality, aka Leela. And she is such an amazing, creative human being. Not only is she a great musician, but an artist and somebody with more balls than 20 bulls in a china shop. She just goes for it. She leaves it all on the table. She's just utterly creative. She's like one of those people who at school I used to look at and go, why can't I just naturally be like awesome like that? Everything she touches, she turns to gold. She's amazing. I love her music. It's utterly unique. Sounds like nobody else. She's an amazing singer and I'm blown away by her artwork. And she's a beautiful human being. So enjoy the music while we head up this hellish hill I see ahead of me. So as you can see, today is going to be an uphill battle in the stinking hot sun all the way up to the top of a lookout point. Whew, wish me luck. Oh, wow. This I did not expect. I am absolutely brutalized. Damn. Whew. This is a massive hill. I'm definitely not healthy enough to take it. We're almost at the top though. Thank God. Oh. So the reason I chose Leela for today's walk is because I knew I'd need to have a bit of perseverance. I kind of expected it to be an uphill battle. And I don't know anyone better than Leela who does that kind of thing. Man, this year she had a killer YouTube channel. Everything was going really cool. Then halfway through a stream, boing, gone. It was just starting to take off too. And I know that really smashed her around a bit. But you know what? In true Leela form, she took a deep breath, she stepped back for a little bit, she reevaluated, and she got back on the horse and did it all over again. And she's almost back to where she was when it happened. She's still not fully there, but good Lord. She's pretty damn close. And that, to me, is utterly inspirational. That's a fighter right there. She's a super quality person, right? Would give her last remaining nickel to help somebody. She'd be an ear anytime you need her to listen. And man, she makes some great stuff. There's no one quite like Lureeality, and thank fuck for that, because she's a bundle of wildfire. I haven't seen this many butterflies in my entire life. They are everywhere. I tried to get some photos and video. There was like 100 butterflies just in this little part of the tree. It's amazing. It's a long way to the top if you want a sausage roll. Okay, well, I guess this is a flying fox, and we're gonna fly. Let's go. Whoa! Ah! I think I'm too big for this thing. It's very bouncy. So I'm sitting here at what's called Mount Ridley Lookout Point. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I needed to take a break, so I'm just sitting down, chilling out. I flew the drone over the horizon to get a great look at this lookout point. It's quite beautiful up here. If it wasn't for the cars driving behind me, ruining the sound. But I made it all the way up to this scenic lookout, walking up pretty steep and treacherous hills. And now I get to go down, so that's pretty exciting. So here I am standing at this lookout point overlooking Melbourne City. As you can see, I'm zooming in. Of course, it's not a really good image, but that is Melbourne in the distance, that silhouette of city in the background. What a beautiful city. So after a short break, applying some sunscreen and flying the drone around this beautiful lookout point, it's time to head home. It's a downhill slope from here, so that's a pretty exciting thing. I've seen a bunch of magpies today, but none of them have swooped me, so that's a good thing too. I remember the day when Leela was live streaming and the channel got removed. It was a sucky day, let me tell you that, because I just put her in contact with her first developer. She just got some codes to start doing tutorials on apps herself. It was looking like she was on fire, ready to go. And then all of a sudden, without warning, YouTube did that. It was disgusting. No excuse, no reason. I can only imagine how she felt. I know me, Russ and Brad and Kurt and Ivan, our hearts went out to her. But she bounced back. She fought back. She showed determination, grit. And she got her subscribers back. And she's got her following back. And she rose above. She's amazing. I'm so proud to be her friend and be privileged to listen to her music. Make sure you go and subscribe to her and check out her channel because she does some great stuff. Something else I really respect and admire about Leela is that she's lived a life. She's had many experiences. She throws herself into the deep end. And she's been burnt a lot too, like many of us. And for somebody to be burnt that much, like, well, we all have. We've all been burnt from time to time. It's hard to pick yourself back up and trust people. But she does it. And that's a really strong quality, to be able to trust people again, be willing to turn the other cheek. Now, I'm sure there's some people she couldn't give a fuck about. And that's the right thing to do. You know, when you got arseholes, you move them over there. Nobody wants to be around an arsehole. They stink like shit. Two types of people in this world, arseholes and not arseholes. And the sooner you're able to discern which one's an arsehole and get rid of it before you're covered in shit, the happier your life will be. And thankfully, Leela's found me, Russ, Brad, Ivan, Kurt, and Ed too. He hangs out with us a lot. And Kim, and Seth, and all of you. And I feel blessed to have her in my life because she's just fucking Leela. Let's go! I see you, Mr. Magpie, and just know I don't like you. It's truly amazing. I've lived in this area for 4 years and had no idea of the sheer and vast beauty that is Craigieburn. I'll tell you one thing, it's a hell of a lot easier going down than going up. This is a walk in the park, get it? Again. Oh God, I'm a card, aren't I? Well, seriously. It's about that time I need to check in with you. How are you going? You going okay? Everything all right? If it's not, sound off. Let us know. Tell us what's happening. Get it out. It's better out than in. Say it. Just don't spray it. No, but seriously. It's better to vent. It's better to say what's happening. You keep it all inside your head. You go round and round in circles. It becomes worry. It becomes anxiety. It leads to depression and loneliness. So it's good to vent. It's good to get it out. It's good to say something. There is always somebody who'll listen, empathise, or just say, hey, you're loved. Because you are. Oh, I can't wait to get home. I've come across no bikes today, but I have come across a ghost trolley. This is what happens when you leave trolleys out in the wild. Well, I'm not going to lie today. It's been a real tough one. It is scorching hot. I'm not even sure what the weather is, but you'll see it at the end when I show the stats of my walk. It's brutal hot. I can literally feel myself burning, even though I'm completely covered in sunscreen. Oh, it's savage. Australian heat. It's absolutely brutal. And actually, this walk, one of the things that's not so good about it is there's not a lot of shade. It's very open areas. So, yeah, definitely felt the burn today. Not in the way I wanted, in my legs, but on my skin. Feeling pretty good today. Going up the hill was brutal. I really was struggling. Coming down, this is a lot easier. I feel very mellow. Seen a couple of magpies back there as well. I'm kind of just looking behind me to make sure they're not doing their swoop-de-doop. Anyway, we're heading back to our starting point. Oh, and then home to rest. I'm really surprised by the amount of people who actually are enjoying this series of videos. I mean, it's just me walking around talking a load of bollocks. But I'm enjoying it. I'm actually enjoying getting out the house. I feel like I'm achieving something and not just sitting around all day having a nana nap. And then before long it's night time and I've got to get ready for the next show. So this has been really enjoyable. I'm getting used to using my camera for future projects. It's really blown me away by how many butterflies I've seen on this journey today. It's almost giving me faith that Mother Nature is kind of healing and is doing okay. Look at them, just dancing on air, enjoying their existence, because in about an hour they'll probably all die. Well, we're almost at the end of today's journey. Did 3 kilometers today, half of it uphill, the other half downhill. Got some really nice shots. Another goal achieved. Achievement unlocked. You got to hear one of my favorite artists, Leela, Lureeality, Rise of Dark Leela, whatever you want to call her. She's fucking awesome. Go and hit her up, subscribe to her, check out her streams during the week. She's just the tits, man. Not those. She's got them. This is uncomfortable. Cut. Well, here we are at the end of episode 7 of Walk With Me. I'm so glad I've been able to walk with you. I hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you're enjoying the series. I hope you're enjoying the amazing artists that I've been playing. And I hope you're looking after yourself. Time for me to go home, chill out, relax, and then work my ass off tomorrow. Do the things that make you happy. Mistakes make you better. And we'll all rise together. Boom. Let's Oge!